Akala mo na may save mo ako. Sana tayo sa Mayor. Tayo ba?
Next in line.
Ay, wala na.
Naku, pwede na sa make.
Wait nyo ako, guys! Hoy, dahan-dahan lang! Yan ang water station.
Meron din dyan.
30.
Kailangan namin dyan.
And then I'm so loving this. So we're going to see the river. May river daw dito. Yan. We have
Pupunta kami sa ilog. Yan.
Kasi wala ka ng other activities than lakad-lakad lang pababa.
Lakad.
Yan, let's go. Yan yung pababang going to the river. Yan. So, yan yung river. Malapit lang siya from our cabin. So, makikita mo yung cabin. Yun lang, oh. Yun. Yun.
Asan ba? Tangin na cabin na to.
So, doon lang yung cabin.
Ay, yung ano.
Kung gusto mong bumaba, dito lang. So, we're going back to our cabin. Let's go inside. So, tingnan natin Yeah. So, this is how it look like sa loob ng cabin. So, this is good for 4, I guess. Kasi 4, 4 kami. So, merong queen size bed, single, and there's also another one here. So, may mga cabinet na din sila. Yan. So, kung gusto mong maglagay ng mga gamit dito, they have cabinets. Yan. And then, paglabas mo dito, let's check the garden. May garden dito. Ayan o. So, pag gusto mo, makikita mo yung bintana dito. Yan. So, tingnan natin sa labas yung garden. Let's check it out. Ayan. Yan o, ang ganda. So, may upuan din dito kung gusto mong umupo lang. Yes. Tapos, garden, overlooking. Parang garden na din dyan. Diba? Mapuno. So, kung gusto mo lang yung ganitong style na bakasyon, this is recommended for you. Closer to nature, yeah. And broken heart daw. So, pwedeng-pwede dito. Mga single din, tapos para makapag-reflect. Boom! So, let's check the restroom, CR. Ayan. So, malinis siya. Actually, this is parang bagong-bago, ano? Bago pa lang. Or konti sigurong gumagamit. And then, yan, may shower. Simple, pero okay na. It's 5-star for a cabin style. Yeah. So, let's check yung mga ibang. Kukuha ka ng tubig. So, eto yung daan papuntang river. It's a 2-minute walk away from here. Ayan, ang daming mga cabin. It's ongoing construction pa. Oh, ang ganda nito. Good morning. It's our last day today. So we're here at the camping site. Saan unahan? Oo. Ah, may lakaran pa dyan. $15 minutes, including the e-bike. So,
Including the?
e-bike.
So it's only 15 minutes?
Oo.
Rather including the e-bike?
Including di pagsakay ng e-bike.
Hindi.
Including. Yan o.
Eh no, meron siyang ano eh. Naka-video siya the whole time, 16 minutes.
More than pa kasi nag-stop ako dun sa pag-picture, yung mga ganun.
What do you mean?
So they have a garden. Yan, going down.
Bataan, even the corridor po is nagiba na po. Kaya pumunta po siya dito because that is the order of President Roosevelt. And then, sinunod na po siya ng B-17 plane. And dyan niya po sinabi yung famous phrase na I shall return. Kasi po, most of the time,
sa Tacloban?
hindi, doon sa Palo Leyte po, yung sa Leyte. Kasi most of us, na-confuse kasi. Kasi most, karamihan sa atin, ang akala natin, no, sa Leyte, but not the Leyte po is I have returned.
I have
returned. Nanalo na po yung Amerika laban sa Apple. Kaya po, yun po yung I have returned. But the I shall return actually is here. Kaya po, tinawag po itong kampo because this is a former camp. Yes, ito po kampo ng mga Guardia Civil, even the former Filipino and American soldiers. Yan po. Pag nakita, I think nakita nyo na po doon sa ibaba, yung parang may mga collection doon na may mga bullet, tsaka pugals, mga baril. Yan po yun, dito po yan nakita ma'am. It was excavated here bago po ito na naitatag ang bahay. And yes, pupunta na po tayo dito sa bahay because that is a mataas na po yung introduction. You know, this is imagine that the airplane was invented in 1800s, but you know what? This is actually made from pure imaginations. The French cartographers using the galleon trade, nilibot na po nila yung buong Pilipinas kasi alam nyo pa po yan, yung Puerto Galera, that is the port of Galion. They have to circumnavigate the geography, the Philippine landmass, and after that they were able to create as hindi po ganun ka-detail kung titingnan po natin if we will just compare it to the present map kasi po ginagamitan na po yan ng mga makabagong teknolohiya. But before, you can say na talagang napaka-genius, napaka-creative, at yung imagination po nila is talagang makakasana all ka naman po. Kasi this is made from 1750.
That is a photocopy or just a copy?
As a facsimile.
Facsimile. No.
Yes.
Yan yata yung ginamit sa ano eh, sa case.
Yes, yung nasa corporation.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, yung na-dispute.
Yeah.
I saw one. I saw it.
Yeah. And, you know, dito na po tayo.
23 kilometers lang, 30 minutes. Lapit na.
20 kilometers.